Folks, welcome to week 3 of online AP Stats. We actually have a big deadline this week. You have your Chapter 8 test, which is the first test within the topic of inferences and conclusions. So I hope you are feeling prepared for that. If not, definitely make sure you do the work to get ready for Thursday's exam. One thing to keep in mind about this Thursday, I will actually not be here. You will have a sub. It's Miss Stern. And your guys are all already locked into a win session. We have 3 win sessions this week, so that means you're going to need 2 of those sessions. And just to kind of show you, I'm going to share that window on HawkNet. So for Win 1 and Win 2, these are the 4 individuals who will be testing for Win 1 and Win 2. And then for Win 2 and Win 3, those other 6 individuals are right here is when you all are testing. Please take a look at this now. If you have any issues, you need to talk to me. I would say, let's say before Tuesday by the end of day. If you want me to make any adjustments, I'm more than happy to do so if it works out. But you are going to need 2 of those sessions to complete the Chapter 8 test. Typically, my Chapter 8 test is a 2-day test. I've shortened it somewhat so it can get done in about a 50-minute time period. And again, it's going to be comprised of your multiple choice and your free response. Other than that, one of the things I'm going to be doing this week is I will be doing a post probably on Tuesday about confidence intervals and how to write them in detail. It is incredibly important you come away from Chapter 8 focusing on the state, plan, do, and conclude portion of this. Now, for confidence intervals, the state talks about you're going to do the confidence interval. I will tell you on the free responses I have seen from the AP board, you can get away with not doing the state portion. And be incredibly safe. So personally, if I were you, I probably wouldn't do the state portion. The plan, the do, and the conclude are incredibly important. Look at every single detail you are required to do for that. The entire part of topic 4, in my opinion, is truly just memorizing what they are requiring you to state. If you can cover in terms of like when you hit the plan part, the 3 things you have to do, make sure you do that. On the do portion, there's certain things you have to do. And in particular for confidence intervals, in the conclusion portion, you must, and I repeat, must give them the full statement that they're looking for. So take a look at your notes. It's pretty much just kind of regurgitating the process. You don't have to add any flair to it. It's kind of dry statistical writing, but it's easy to meet if you make sure you're very detail oriented. If you're not, it's very easy to lose points along the way. So please feel free to stop by and see me with any questions. Again, keeping in mind, I will be gone Thursday, but your test is scheduled. Mrs. Stern knows that. She will have the test for you and your formula sheet, so you do not need to bring that one. But see me before then if you have questions. And again, take a look on Tuesday when I post an update showing you the details on the expectations for writing a confidence interval with relation to the proportions and writing a confidence interval with relation to the means. It's nothing different from what you've seen in your notes, but it's something that I just feel is very important for you to highlight because I want you all to succeed in this chapter. So have a great week 3, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.